Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style kitchen decorating ideas. Let's have a look. For cottage kitchen decor, consider incorporating elements that create a cozy, inviting atmosphere with a touch of charm and nostalgia. Some practical tips for creating a charming cottage kitchen decor. Mix and match patterns. Combine floral paints with gingham or checkered patterns for curtains, seat cushions, and dishware. Mixing patterns gives the kitchen a cozy, eclectic feel. Soft, muted color palettes. Opt for a color palette of soft creams, whites, belly blues, and greens. These colors help create a calming, airy atmosphere typical of cottage kitchens. You can also add pops of color with accessories like tea towels or cushions. Incorporate natural textures. Use natural materials like oven baskets, wooden cutting boards, and linen tablecloths. These textures add warmth and a rustic touch that is essential to cottage style. Add open storage solutions. Use open shelving to display your favorite dishes, glass jars, or a collection of mugs. This adds charm and keeps everyday items within easy reach. Choose shelves in distressed wood or painted in pastel tones to match the cottage theme. A retro-style refrigerator, stove, or mixer can become the centerpiece of your kitchen. Look for appliances in pastel colors or with a classic vintage design to enhance the cottage vibe. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Place small vases or jars with fresh flowers, dried lavender or wild flowers on countertops or shelves. Flowers bring a burst of color and a natural, homey feel to the space. Install a classic farmhouse sink. Consider adding a porcelain apron front sink. Pair it with a vintage style brush or copper bucket to give your kitchen a traditional cottage look. Choose vintage-inspired lighting. Replace modern lighting fixtures with vintage-style pendant lights or candeliers. Look for options like old iron, distressed wood, or antique brush finishes. Introduce breadboard or shiplap walls. Adding breadboard or shiplap to the walls can instantly give your kitchen a cottage feel. Consider painting them in soft, neutral colors. Display cookbooks and utensils. Place a few classic cookbooks on a shelf or countertop. Store frequently used utensils in a ceramic jar or vintage tin for easy access and added charm. Hang charming wall decor. Use framed botanical prints, vintage signs, or handmade crafts like macrame or woven wall hangings to add character to your kitchen walls. Install a plate rack. A wall-mounted plate rack not only provides practical storage but also serves as a decorative feature. Display your most charming plates or vintage china for a quaint, old-fashioned touch. Incorporate glass front cabinets. Replace solid cabinet doors with glass front panels. This adds visual interest and allows you to showcase your dishware, adding a layer of charm and elegance to the kitchen. Use Butker block or wooden countertops. Butker block or wooden countertops add warmth and a rustic touch. These materials complement the natural feel of a cottage kitchen and can be paired with other wooden elements like cutting boards or open shelves. Add personal touches. Decorate with family heirlooms, antique collectibles, or handmade crafts. Personal touches create a unique, authentic cottage style that reflects your personality. Accessories with copper or cast iron cookware. Display copper pots, pans, or cast iron skillets on an open shelf or hanging rack. These not only provide practical use but also add a timeless, classic touch to your kitchen decor. Hang a curtain under the sink. For an old-fashioned touch, replace the cabinet doors under the sink with a fabric curtain in a charming patterns. This adds softness and a playful element to the kitchen decor. Decorate with vintage jars and canisters. Use vintage glass jars, ceramic canisters, or enamel containers to store pantry staples like flour, sugar, tea, or coffee. Label them with chalkboard tags or handwritten labels for a personal touch. Choose vintage style hardware. Replace modern cabinet handles and drawer pulls with vintage style hardware such as ceramic knobs, brush pulls, or old iron handles. These small changes can make a big difference in creating a cottage vibe. Display fresh produce. Place a bowl of fresh fruits or a basket of vegetables on the countertop. This not only adds color and life but also reinforces the feeling of a lived-in, welcoming kitchen. Use baskets for storage. Use open baskets to store fruits, vegetables, or kitchen linens. Hang them from hooks or place them on shelves for a rustic, homey look. space allows, consider adding a window seat with plush cushions and truss. This creates a cozy spot for reading or relaxing and adds to the kitchen's inviting atmosphere. Embrace imperfections. Cottage style is all about embracing imperfections. Opt for handmade, slightly worn or distressed pieces that tell a story. Don't be afraid of mixing different styles and finishes to create a layered, lived-in look. Introduce a vintage rug. Lay a small vintage-style rug or runner in the front of the sink or under the kitchen table. Look for rugs with floral motifs, brighter patterns, or faded colors to complement the cottage aesthetic. Add a cozy breakfast nook. Create a small breakfast nook with a cushioned bench or a couple of vintage chairs around a quaint wooden table. Decorate with throw pillows in floral or gingham patterns to make the space feel inviting and comfortable. Opt for simple, functional furniture. Choose furniture pieces like a wooden farmhouse table or leather-back chairs. Opt for distressed finishes or painted wood in soft pastel colors. Keep the lines simple and unfuzzy to maintain a cozy, welcoming